I'm just checking and make sure there's nothing else to do on this thing. Don't go too fast. Just make sure you get it threaded on back correctly. I didn't put much oil in it because I know I was gonna probably waste some, but I want to say I did it more than halfway of oil inside, so I kind of wasted some in a sense. But it's better to have more than less. So all right, now I just gotta tighten up this filter some more and we get to the rest of this. I think that should be it. Don't want to make it too tight and then end up damaging the filter. Yeah, this feels tight enough. And yeah, so that's it. Next thing left to do is to put back these 8mm bolts. And in order to have this piece stay up, you just gotta push this piece of the clip in so it will stay up, and then these ones right down here, and it will stay up, so you don't have to really do a whole bunch. And then once, so even if say the bolts came out, it will still hold up. All right, I got one more quart left to put in. I want to say that should be it. All right, so I'm gonna try to reset the oil light. You can see it has manual reset. So what I'm gonna do is click it, manual reset. So it probably just give me ways how to reset the oil since it doesn't do it from the computer, right? So what it says is turn ignition on, press up and down arrow. So press up and down arrows and button on the right of multifunction steering wheel. So you're gonna press ignition is on, gonna press up and down arrow, and then press the menu button. So you're gonna press the menu button, which has 3 horizontal lines. Hold on, let me clear everything on the, see if I could bring you guys a little bit closer so y'all could see everything that I'm doing. Just since it says this is how to basically manual reset. So the ignition is already on. It says press up and down arrow, so we're gonna do that. Press up and down arrow. Then it says next thing you do, you press the menu button. Press the menu button. Then it says press up and down arrow to oil life. So I guess it wants me to find oil life, but I don't see that. All right, so oil life, we're at oil life. Once you click oil life, now the next thing is once you click oil life, press OK, and you reset oil life. So hold OK till oil life reset. Once you see that's gone, then it says 100%. And basically that is the way how to manually reset the oil. And then once you press the button and hold until oil life resets successfully, up here in the instrument display, just press the back arrow. So we could just press the back arrow and go back to everything else. So we're back on this screen. So we shouldn't have no more oil lights. So what I'm gonna do is disconnect the scanner and turn the ignition off. So ignition is off. Now that the ignition is off, we'll start it. So we should still see the one of the things that doesn't come up. That's the door. Yeah, so this I have not put the sensor in for that. Not the door, that pre-collision one. So I need to put that sensor in. And then no oil light. So we're good. I'm gonna let it run for a while, let it warm up, but that's honestly it, and the way how to get the oil change done on this car. All right, so that's about it on this Ford Escape. We just did the oil change, something simple. I know I took longer than usual, and for everybody that's watching the live, it took us like 45 minutes, but when I'm not recording, it's probably could take me like 15 minutes. Or no, I wouldn't say 15, maybe 30 minutes max, because you got to pull that tray under the bottom, and then just to change the engine oil filter. So that is done. But anyways, thank y'all for watching. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and turn your post notifications on. Don't forget to check us out on all social media links. Hey, Happy New Year again. But until next time, stay positive, stay motivated. Hey, on our haters or our biggest motivators. But until next time, we are out.